Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we can see that gold is trading at a level of $1938. Okay, and one thing you have to understand looking at this particular chart, that gold is quite volatile. Okay, and why this is volatile? Because we have seen a war situation was there. Okay, and two war situation we have seen. And in what happened in the war situation, people get because of the volatility in the market, people try to invest in gold and silver. Okay, and this is where we have seen a good volatility in the price of gold. Second thing, what you have to understand, that after pandemic there is two patterns are forming. Okay, and there was a continuous upside plus these two patterns. The similar pattern has formed for the third time, and previously a 10-year pattern was forming. Okay, this was the same pattern. And now if you look at this particular chart, we have seen it has already made a half round 2015, and then from there is a continuous downfall because there is a profit booking has come. Till the time it is not moving above a level of $1990, you will not say it will go further upside. Okay, but if it goes below this zone, then a further downfall we can see in the price of gold. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, there is a continuous downfall we have seen. Okay, why this downfall? Because people started booking their profit. Okay, and a zone at this particular level, we can see there is a higher chances of going down. Okay, I'm not explaining the events and all, because you have to understand, if you look at this particular chart, you have to go with the trend. Okay, price action is a very good strategy you can follow. See, if suppose you have bought at this level, you can be in a loss if you are holding for a longer period, but if you are on the sale side, you would have made very good profit. In this trend, you can say a good upside profit. Okay, say similarly you have to understand the trend, that is where a good profit can be made overall. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, chances are very high, yes, it will not sustain. It can go towards $1930, and if the price fall below that level, we can see it will touch a level of around 21.02 after 1930. Okay, and if that level goes further down, then a probability of going further low we can see, and then probability of touching a level of 1911 will be there. Once the price started falling 1911, then a probability of going towards 1907 we can see, and if that level move further down, then yes, a chances of going towards a level of around 1886 we can see. Okay, now suppose if the price move below a level of 1886, then yes, a probability of touching a level of 1873 we can see, and from there a probability of going towards 1857. Okay, so you have to keep it in mind that overall trend is on a downside till the time it is not sustaining above a level of 1993. So if it levels move below a level of 1887, then a probability of going towards 1879 will be there to a level of 1870, and if that level goes further down, then a probability of touching a level of 1857. Okay, and as I've already told you that once it started moving below 1857, then a probability is on a higher side of going further down towards 1848, and then from there to a level of $1832. Okay, this is where, and if it moves below that level, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Now understand, the market is always uncertain. Okay, if you are thinking it will move as per you, it will not. It will only move what is the data and the news will come. Okay, and you have to remember, see, till the time news comes to you, it can affect the price already. So you always remember, don't buy on a higher. Okay, don't sell on a lower. Try to go with the flow. Suppose if it is moving upside, try to buy at this level, sell at this level. If it is going down, sell at this level, buy at this level. These two things you have to keep it in mind. Now if the price sustain this level, what we can see, because market is uncertain, so you have to remember on both the sides, it form a swing suppose, then what we can see, it can go towards a level of around $1949. This $1949 is already being tested, so chances are high it will go further high, and a probability of going towards 1956 we can see. If it goes above this particular level, we can see it will go further upside, and a probability of touching a level of 1960 we can see. And if that level goes further upside, yes, a chances of going towards a level of 1972 we can see. This 1972 is already being tested, so chances are high we can see a further upside towards $1982 to a level of around 1989. Okay, and if it started going upside, then we can see it will go towards a level of 1994, and if it started going higher, then a probability of crossing a level of 2000 will be there, and it can go towards a level of $2008, and once started going above 2008, then a further high we can see towards 2032, because the level of the breakout will happen, and then a probability of going further high we can see in the price of gold. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.